So I literally just got out of the shower, and as I was in the bathroom, there's like the little bathroom window that, you know, you can see all sorts of stuff. And it looked like there was a legit fireworks display. So, of course, my hair is all I didn't even brush it, a soppy mess. And I had to run out literally in a towel. I ran out to look at this. Amazing. Like, what? Yeah, I'm a mess. What a incredible display of nature's power, the epitome of nature's power over here. So of course I'm out here with my camera, and I'm gonna try to see what I can get, because this is just legit amazing. So we'll see what's going on. So I'm a little bummed. Just the clouds are lighting up. Oop, there were a couple flashes. But when I came out in a towel before I put on actual people clothes, you could see the actual streaks. So we'll see once I get away from this street light what I can see. Because this is absolute insanity. Just wow. Like non-stop. So, get around this tree. And we'll see what I can get. If it's just these bright flashes and not streaks, I don't know how much I'll be able to get photo-wise. But whoa! But we'll see. If any more like that show up. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So I love this because, like, where's the thunder? You can hear it super far off in the distance, but, like, you know, I don't like loud noises. So here's the fireworks display without the scary part. Right. What? I've got to get in good position for this. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. That's amazing. What? Ooh. I think this will be a good spot. I would not want to be a plane right now. Like, dang. That'd be terrifying. Alright. I think this is about as good of a spot as I am gonna get. Wish me luck. Yay, you can't see, I'm giving you the thumbs up.